Good day, everyone. My name is Janmel Topas, and today we are going to discuss about the analysis approach to values education. Ano nga ba itong analysis approach na ito? When we say analysis approach, this is the approach that was developed mainly by social science educators. So, yung mga social science educators, sila yung nag-develop ng approach na ito. So the approach emphasizes rational thinking and reasoning. So this approach, ine-emphasize niya yung makatwirang pag-iisip or yung what we call the rational thinking and yung reasoning ng isang tao. And the purpose of analysis approach is to help student use logical thinking and the procedures of scientific investigations in dealing with values issues. So, itong analysis approach, meron siyang goal, which is um, to help student use logical thinking or yung logical way of thinking, as well as yung procedures ng scientific education in dealing with values issues or values related concerns. And the rationalist and the empiricist views of human nature seems to be provide the philosophical basis of this approach. We all know that human has different views in nature or natures of views, and isa nga dito yung rationalist and empiricist view. When we say rationalist view, ito yung view ng human nature na nakabase lang sa reasoning. Yung empiricist naman is naka-base sa experience ng tao. So, sabi dito, yung philosophical basis ng analysis approach is nagmula daw or naka-base dun sa empiricist and rationalist view ng human nature. And analysis approach advocates states or that the process of valuing can and should be conducted under the total authority of fact and reason, and guided not by the dictates of heart and conscience, but by the rules and procedures of logic. So, yun nga yung process ng valuing is dapat nakabase siya sa total authority ng facts and reason. So, dapat puro facts and reasons lang yung um, magiging laman ng analysis approach. And sabi dito, yung analysis approach is guided daw siya um, ng rules and procedures of logic. Hindi yung sa dinidikta lamang ng kung anong gusto ng puso mo or ng konsensya mo. So, yun ang meaning ng analysis approach. And next, we are going to discuss about the different or the variety of frequently used higher order and intellectual operation. I-discuss naman ito ni John Emerson Pagaduan.
Good day, everyone. My name is John Emerson D. Pagading, and I am the next reporter of variety of frequently used high order and intellectual operation. Analysis approach has a variety of frequently and used higher order and intellectual operation, and ito yung mga yan. Number one, stating the issues. Number two, questioning and substating in the relevance of statements. Number three, applying analogous cases to refine, qualify, and refine value position. Number four, pointing pointing out logical and empirical inconsistencies and arguments. Number five, weighing counter arguments, and number six, seeking and testing evidence. So these six are the common frequently used higher order and intellectual operation na nagsisilbing guide para mapalawak ang rational and logical way of thinking ng mga student. Next reporter po.
Good day everyone. I am John Paul Orenia and I will be discussing about representative instructional model presented by Melcalp. Analysis approach has representative instructional model. This model was represented by Metcalf. This is the instructional mode represented by Metcalf. This is the first step in the instructional model. Identify and clarify the value question. Dito is you need to identify and clarify the values question first before you start the next step. Assemble purported packs. This is the second step in the model. After identifying and clarifying the value question, you are going to assemble the purported packs. Assess the truth of purported packs. This is the third step. Once you done assembling the purported packs, you are going to assess the truthfulness of the packs. Kailangan mong tingnan kung totoo nga ba yung mga packs na na-assemble mo. Clarify the relevance of packs. This is the fourth step. Once na na-confirm mo na yung truthfulness ng mga facts, kailangan mo namang i-clarify yung relevance ng mga yon sa value question. Arrive at a tentative value decision. This is the fifth step. So, once na nakita mo na yung relevance ng mga facts sa value question, syempre makakabuo ka na ng tentative value decision na gagamitin mo. Test the value principle implied in the decision. Okay, this is the last step in the model. So, after mong makabuo ng tentative value decision, you are going to test naman kung may value principle bang naka-implied sa decision mo. So, that is the representative instructional model na presented ni Melcalp for analysis approach. That instructional model should be done in order para mas maging maayos yung makakabasa ng action na gagawin mo.
So to sum up our report, analysis approach is an approach na dinedevelop mainly ng mga social science educator, and it has a purpose to enhance or broaden the rational and logical way of thinking and reasoning ng mga student. It has six variety of frequently used higher order and intellectual operation na ginagamit in dealing with values-related issues and concern. And analysis approach has a representative instructional model presented by Metcalf na ginagamit naman and should be done in order when it comes to solving values related problems and issues to make your research uh, accurate and effective. And sa paggamit mo nung model na yon, magiging mas malalaman mo kung ano yung approach or kung ano yung way na pwede mong gawin or magagamit mo ng tama to solve different kinds of um, values concern or values related problems and issues. So thank you for listening, and we hope that you've learned something about analysis approach in values education.